Hi guys, Ravi here, and today we're gonna do the unboxing and review of Callmate Selfie stick. Here you can see the package I got from Snapdeal, around 100 rupees under the offer. So its actual price is around 1000 rupees. They written on the box. You can see here, see the package, how they pack the product and their wrapper on the box, and let's see what's written on the box, and let's zoom here. So it's showing price like 1000 rupees 999, and you can see the different colors available for selfie sticks. These are the colors, and how it looks like so when you open from the box. So let's open it, and you can see here it's a yellow and white combination, and you see there is a button to click the picture, and that is the AUX cable there. So you can see there it's a holder, so you can hold the phone, and you can tight the screw also to not to shake the phone. So you can enlarge the stick. There is, you can just push towards upwards, and you can open it, and you can put the phone there, and I insert the aux cable into the MP3 port. That's 3.5 mm jack, and you can take the selfies just clicking the button given over the handle. So you can see there, yeah, you can easily click the selfies, and it's almost supported to every phone, Windows and Android and Apple too. So this is a good product. You can buy it. Subscribe to my channel.